Testimony continues today in a wrongful death lawsuit filed on behalf of Andrew Joseph III. The 14-year-old's parents are suing the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, blaming them for their teen son's death after he was kicked out unsupervised from the Florida State Fair in 2014. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser has been covering this case for several days, a case obviously that began 8 years ago when you started covering this, Eric. And in just about 30 minutes, relatives from African-American families killed in recent high-profile cases across the country will gather to show support for this family.
That's right, Courtney. And really a common thread here, something that unites all of those families, is this legal concept that's called qualified immunity. So what is qualified immunity? Well, it is a legal concept, as I said, that shields government and law enforcement agencies from civil lawsuits. It's an issue that many who are going to be here have faced themselves. It is a legal hurdle that the Joseph family spent 8.5 years working to overcome to finally have their day in court. So today, relatives of people killed in historic and recent high-profile cases involving police and gun violence are going to be out here. We're talking about names that have made headlines like Oscar Grant, Breonna Taylor, Jacob Blake, Emmett Till, all of them here to show support to the family of Andrew Joseph III in their $30 million wrongful death lawsuit against the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. The Josephs say that HCSO violated their son's civil rights by, as you said, ejecting him from the Florida State Fair during Student Day back in 2014, leaving him essentially in a remote area without supervision and without reaching out to a parent, a guardian, or anybody that might have been able to pick him up. And as we know, 2 hours later, unfortunately, he was hit by a car on Interstate 4 as he was running to try to get a ride home. So again, this is starting about 30 minutes from now. We expect that concept of qualified immunity to be a big topic that the folks out here are talking about, hoping to force government agencies, law enforcement agencies, when it comes to these unfortunate and rare cases, to take more responsibility. Live in Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And Eric Glasser is taking you through this case every step of the way. We'll bring you updates throughout the day, and Eric's going to join us tonight starting at 5 here on 10 Tampa Bay with the very latest.